Mike, what are you doing now?
I am taking up all the subfloor so that I can put in the Killmat, the sound deadening, and a little bit of insulation in the flooring, and then I'm going to put it all back down and screw it into place.
She drives this thing.
She's going on a road trip.
Yeah. Hey, Berkey.
You ever notice the way Vincent says adventure? Hi. Dang, that one's in.
Hard. Mom, we went to the jungle. We just pushed the van
Or an impact drill.
and a snake.
Using my cheater bar here, and then I'm going to use my impact drill to get it all out. Money. That was easy, huh?
Okay, all out. Yeah, that works. Careful! Are you putting it on the grass?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, it's freaking wind.
You got.
The wind blew the car.
Oh my god.
It's like blowing me. Can you take this?
You okay? The freaking wind?
Freaking wind. Blowing
So,
me all over.
so windy today. Alrighty, Killmat.
It does two things: vibration and sound deadening, and a little bit of insulation.
Okay. So Killmat is done. Great job. What's the next step?
I'm going to be putting in this foam.
Okay. Okay.
I'm putting in 1/4-inch foam.
All right.
Really easy because it's
Oh, really? So Blake is putting down the phone, and then we can put everything back.
You ready, Benson?
yeah,
Okay, make sure it goes in that track. Is it going?
yeah.
Is it going?
Yeah,
Did it go in?
yeah.
You want to go in through the back?
Okay. Blake made me a little chair. Installation today.
Yes, ma'am.
See that you got some done already. Can you feel anything different?
Put your feet on there. On you.
I'll keep my feet warm.
Yeah.
It's kind of cold today. Getting solar panels today. Hi. It's cold again. So what you been doing?
I insulated this entire area right in here, and now I need to cut a piece of wood and put it right there. I am installing some rails so that you guys can step up in and not have to step up 21 inches up underneath here. there's like these little holes. They got this one, I don't need to use it. It's got like a little rubber grommet on there. But along here, I've put little bolts like this and a washer. It's like this really long, it's got a really long thing in there.
I want you to do that.
And there's more down along there that I put in so that I can attach this type of bracket.
Make sure.
Give me those.
All of them?
I need at least one of them right now.
Okay. Oh, next one. You already did one, is that
I
right?
just it says to gently put it in.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
I just need to film one. So gently put it on there.
It just says lightly tighten it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Alright. Now it's gotta bolt it down.
Okay. And we're done. Oh, you still gotta do the other side.
My side. Come try it out.
Feels great. Now we're ready to go vacay. Who cares about the insides?
Get the rest. Let's go.